So what you can also do is you can go around and search for contents by using ChatGPT. Let's say, for example, you can go around and ask, let's say, for example, can you search and tell me what the weather will be like today in Yangon, right here, just like this. So now what happens is that it searches for the content online right here, and then it gives me the information on how the weather will be like, as you can see right here, with references as well. So let's say, for example, now I want it to ask something. So let's say, for example, now can you give me information about Yangon and a link to its Wikipedia page right here, just like this. So now what happens is that it searches out for information right here. So it says it gives me the information regarding Yangon right here, just like this, and then will give me a link to it. So now you can see that this is what you have, and now it says for more detail you can visit Wikipedia page on Yangon. And so as I click on it, you can see that I have access to Yangon page right here. So now I can ask, can you give me a link of royalty-free picture of Yangon, just like this. So now once I do that, now you can see that it goes around and gives me out the link from Pixabay, from Unsplash and Pixels right here, as you can see right here, and says that the website offers a wide range of high quality images, as you can see right here. So you can see that you can get the recent information right here, news and information and links as you like inside of ChatGPT as well, inside of ChatGPT 4, that is because it is connected to the web. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.